Are you excited then about, I suppose, the year going forward? What would be the exciting projects, I suppose, maybe you're going to be working on the year coming ahead?
Well, for me, it's getting the film Viva made, finished and out there, which is the Coonan project that I wrote and I acted in. And I also acted in this film that was made, some of it was made in Dublin, but it was filmed around Europe. And that's been finalised at the moment, and that will come out this year, and I'm doing a theatre show. And then it's alright. Anything to pay the rent, really.
And yourself?
At the moment, I've literally been on a break for the last 7 weeks. I've just been minding my daughter, which is a serious joy, especially around Christmas. So I'm starting today. I'm working on an original piece with two of my friends, Zoe and Maud Weirden. We're working on it's kind of mixing music with theatre. So we spend a week rehearsing, and then on Wednesday we put a showcase for half an hour on, and then it might get made into something before the end of the year. And then after that, I'm just trying to get representation further afield, and then looking forward to getting them coming out, and then I might be doing some theatre stuff as well here. So yeah.
And were you pleased with the reception of The Guarantee? It did really well.
Yeah, I mean, most people seem to really enjoy it. Some people were quite confused as to why I played two characters. But as I said to Mark earlier on, once you put a moustache on and have a bit of a hump, which I didn't, but people should know the difference. But I mean, it was an artistic choice by Ian Power, as far as I can see. In the play, it was like that everyone played multiple characters. So, I mean, if people were confused about it, I suppose it can be weird if people think it's Drum dressing up as the central banker and trying to fool everyone. But
would you be interested in doing any more sort of like political? I suppose Charlie's out now, and maybe there's a bit of appetite for it. Would it be something you'd consider?
Well, I mean, yeah, there's still. I mean, I'm sure there's going to be stories about the bailout written soon enough, which is the sequel to The Guarantee. But I mean, I think they're stories that need to be told. For me, for one, I was in college at the time. I was just kind of, taking over various administration buildings, so I didn't really pay too much heed to it. So, I mean, for me to learn about what happened subsequently was a really interesting thing to do, and I think important as well for me to realise what the magnitude of the situation, and the roll-on effect on my children and so on and so forth. So I think that more stories like that be told will hopefully in the future prevent us from making the same mistakes again.
Exactly. Brilliant. Thanks.
It's